Suzuki Cultus VXR 2008 EFI engine AC chill clean condition, best deal in budget fire urgent sell, don't miss. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing great. Today I am back with another genuine and budget-friendly car deal that is perfect for daily use and family driving. If you are looking for a reliable Suzuki Cultus in good condition, then watch this video till the end because this car is definitely worth your time. The car I am showing you today is a Suzuki Cultus VXR 2008 model. Suzuki Cultus is one of the most popular cars in Pakistan because of its low maintenance cost, good fuel average, and easy availability of spare parts. This car is especially ideal for small families, office use, and people who want a dependable car within a reasonable budget. Let's start with the engine performance. This Cultus comes with a Petrol EFI engine, which gives smooth performance and better fuel efficiency compared to older carburetor models. The engine is in good running condition, starts easily, and delivers a comfortable driving experience. There is no unusual noise or smoke, making it a reliable option for daily use. Now talking about the suspension is 100% perfect. The car feels stable on the road and handles bumps and uneven roads very well. Whether you are driving inside the city or on longer routes, the ride quality is comfortable. The color of the car is black, which gives it a smart and classy appearance. Black color always looks elegant and enhances the overall look of the car when properly maintained. Moving towards the air conditioning, the AC is fully operational and cooling properly. In hot weather, a working AC is very important, and this Cultus does not disappoint. You can enjoy a cool and comfortable drive even during peak summer. Now let's talk about the interior condition. The interior of the car is original and well maintained. The seats, dashboard, door panels, and roof lining are in neat condition. There are no major tears or damages inside. The interior clearly shows that the car has been used with care. As far as the exterior condition is concerned, the car is outside showered, which is common for cars of this model year. Despite that, the body looks neat and presentable. There are no major dents or rust issues, and the overall appearance is clean. Another big plus is that the tires are brand new, so you won't need to spend extra money after buying the car. New tires provide better road grip, smoother drive, and improve safety. Now coming to the documents, the car comes with complete documents, and it is CPLC clear, so there is no issue regarding verification or transfer. This makes the deal safe and tension-free for buyers. This Suzuki Cultus VXR 2008 is a great option for daily city driving, family use, office commute, first-time car buyers, low-budget buyers. Cultus is known for its strong resale value, so you don't have to worry about future resale. Maintenance is affordable, fuel average is decent, and parts are easily available everywhere in Pakistan. Now let's talk about the demand. The demand for this car is only 850,000 PKR, which is very reasonable according to the condition, model, and market rates. Finding a Cultus in this condition at this price is not easy. If you are seriously looking for a clean, reliable, and budget-friendly family car, then this Suzuki Cultus is definitely worth visiting. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me bring more genuine and honest car deals for you. If you need more details or want to contact, all information is given below. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz, and see you in the next video.